Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy to be back so quick with a new video. By the way, I have a video on this makeup look. I'll link it down below as usual. Okay, so for the bun, my hair is relaxed, so it's kind of already sleek. But if your hair is a little bit frizzy, you might want to get your favorite gel, and I'll tell you exactly where to add it. So first, what you want to do is take off your ponytail. We don't need this ponytail right now. So first, I'm just going to take my paddle brush. This is the brush I always use. You can use whatever brush you have just to detangle my hair. Make sure it's slicked back. Also, trying to brush it where you want your ponytail to be. So after that, you can always take the elastic right now, but I'm going to show another step. Make sure your ends also are really detangled, so you just brush them out so you don't have any tangles. This is the part where you might want to get your gel. My hair is already sleek, so I'm not going to add any. So you're gonna put your gel, and then you're gonna take your teasing brush or like a really dense brush so it's really sleeked. And now this is the part when I'm just gonna check where I want my ponytail to be. Just make sure that wherever your ponytail is gonna be, this is where your bun is going to be. So always place it where you want it to be. So right now I'm just gonna make sure it's really tight because I like it really tight, and I'm gonna do my ponytail right now. And yes, this is all my hair. I don't have any extensions in my hair right now, and my hair is pretty fine, so I'm going to show you how to make it a bit voluminous. So now you're just going to take the ponytail, you're going to twist it, but don't twist it tight. So you're just going to twist it the way it is. It might take you a couple of times before you get it. For me, this time it only took me one try. So this is how it's supposed to look. And I took a bobby pin, and I'm just gonna secure it, and that's it. So like I said, when you twist it, just kind of flip it. Don't twist it too tight, and it's gonna give you the volume. You can always tease your hair if you want to, but for me it worked really well, and this is how it should look. This is the part where you can always add a bit of gel at the back because sometimes you have a bit of flyaways. But that is it, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, I have a makeup look on this, so the link will be down below. Bye.